Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2006 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, daytime running lights, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release, wheel covers. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, auto express down window, power driver's seat, beverage holders, reclining seats. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.